Instagram Instant is changing how creators connect with their audience in real time. And here is what makes it different from every other app. No one can screenshot or screen record your content. Your posts are completely protected. But because this app is brand new, a lot of people don't know how to set it up or even how to use it properly. And if you are not on it yet, you are leaving real engagement on the table. I'm Janet. If you are new here, this is where I help you to grow and monetize on social media. Let me show you how to use this Instant app the right way. Open the Instagram app, click the inbox arrow icon, and because we are just using this for the first time, you will get this pop-up. So go ahead and click on try it. And to the bottom right corner, this is the Instagram Instant feature. Click on it. And when you click on it, all they are just simply saying is that when you post, immediately someone view it, that particular post will disappear. Meaning the person who viewed it the first time will not be able to view it again. And also, their reactions and your replies are private. Click on how it works, and basically, all you need to do is to tap on each of the pictures and it will take you to the next one. For example, if I go to something I posted today and I try to show you what it is, you won't be able to see it because they are not allowing me to record, but you will see my reactions. So whenever someone reacts to your post, you will see the notification like this. To have access to more emojis, just click on the plus icon, and these are several emojis you can use to react to your friend's post. There is a particular button right here. When you click on it, it will bring out this dialog. Click on view profile to view the person who posted the instant profile. If you don't like the type of content they are posting, you can unfollow them, mute their instance, and immediately you are done viewing their instance, it's going to open the camera for you. Use this icon to change between the front camera and the back camera. If you are in a dark place, use this icon to turn on your phone flashlight. Click on this friends drop down arrow and you can select your audience. This way you are in control of the people who are seeing your instance. This is optional though. If your privacy doesn't matter that much, you can as well leave it for everyone to view, okay? Once you are done selecting, click done. You see this middle button right here. This is where you click to take a picture. And immediately you take a shot, it's going to be posted. Once your image is live, your friends are going to get a notification like this that you just shared an instant. There's something I want to call your attention to. Whenever you take an instant, you have few seconds to undo it if you do not like it before it goes live. So immediately you snap and you do not like it, you will see the undo button immediately. Click on it and it will unshare that particular image. Now, in a situation where the undo button disappear and you already posted the picture, you don't need to panic. There's a way out, okay? Once your content go live, click on this menu icon and right here you will see all the instants you've posted today. Click on it and brush through them to see the one you wanted to delete, okay? Now go back, long press on the one you want to delete, and you will see delete instant. Click on it and that particular instant will be deleted. If you want to save anyone to your gallery, long press and click on save to camera roll and that instant will be saved or to your phone. But in a case where you have a lot of things to delete, instead of deleting one after the other, click on this folder like icon, then select everything you want to delete, and you can either save all of them to your phone or you click this delete icon and all of them will be deleted. Another amazing thing you can do is that you can turn all your instant to a video by creating a recap. Click this music icon to select your style of music, play it and make sure it's something you like, then click on this arrow to add it to your video. Click the text to edit it and write whatever it is you want to add to your video. Use this vertical line to adjust the scale of your text. And here, change between the fonts to change your fonts. Click on this color palette to change your text color. You can also use this color picker to pick any color from either your dress, your skin, or any color on the screen that you want to for your text. Click this to add the background color to your text. Use this to align your text either to the left, to the right, or to the center. After that, position your text to the place where you want it to be on the screen. Click on this icon to mention your friends or tag them to the story you are about to post. then click Done. Click on this drop down to see more options. Click this download icon to save your video to your gallery, but it will save without the audio. Click More and you will have the option to turn off comment. When it's off, people will not be able to comment on your story, but when it's on, people can comment. Click on the emoji icons and you can search for any type of emoji to add to your video. Then go ahead and position it anywhere you want on the screen. After that, go ahead and add a little description about the video you want to post. In this case, I'm just saying my beautiful self. Then go ahead and choose whether to post to your story or you want to post to close friends alone. After that, when you click on your story, you can see what we created right here. And when you click on these three dots, you have the option to either delete this story, archive this story, highlight, save the story, edit if you use an AI content, or do some settings for your story. To create an highlight, click on highlight, then click on new, the plus icon, and you are going to name your highlights. In this case, I'll name it fun, then click add, click done. And when you go back to your profile right now, you will see the highlights we created. To delete the highlight, just click on it, then click on more, click on edit highlight, then uncheck this, click this, and click delete. And when you go back right now, the highlight has disappeared. I will leave you to explore the rest of the tools here. One last important thing before we leave the Instagram app is story settings. When you click on it, this is where you can select who will view your story, if you want to accept followers reply, if you want viewers to comment under your story, and all other settings. If you want your stories to save to your camera roll, if you want your story to be saving to archive, if you want to allow people to share your story, if you want them to share it to their message, if you want to share to Facebook, basically, just go through it and set everything up the way you want it. After that, click OK and go back. Click on activity, and this is where you can see how your story is doing, how many people view it, and all. I will just leave you to explore the rest of the tools, so this video is not too long. When you open the Instant app, your camera is going to be opened immediately. Use this icon to turn on the flash if the place you are is dark. Use this to change between the front and the back camera, and use this to change your audience, okay? And when you take a snap, use this to undo it before it goes live. If you click on your profile picture right here, there's really nothing much to set up because this is just an extension of Instagram. So your Instagram settings will cover it. Click on this menu icon to see all the instants you've posted today so far and how people are reacting. And you can click here to see what your friends posted as well. You are not seeing anything right now because they didn't allow screen recording. To delete all your instant, just like I said, just click on this folder like icon and select everything you want to delete, and you can either save it or delete it. Or click on any of your instant, click on these three dots and you will see the linked icon, then delete your instant. And that's it. Everything you need to know about this app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all post notification. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist for Instant and Instagram as well. Bye for now.